If you are evaluating Upwork for hiring or for building a freelance business, the most important question is not whether the platform is big. It is. The key question is whether Upwork's economics, tools, and policies align with your goals and constraints. This review explains how Upwork works, what the fees really mean in practice, how reputation and ranking influence outcomes, what has changed in recent policy updates, and where the platform uses AI to improve matching, safety, and productivity. Start with the core model. Upwork is a two-sided marketplace that connects businesses with independent professionals across software development, design, marketing, data, writing, customer support, finance, and many niche categories. Clients post jobs or buy predefined packages through Project Catalog. Freelancers submit proposals using Connects or list package services with set scopes and prices. Unlike a basic job board, Upwork includes integrated chat, file sharing, milestone-based escrow for fixed-price projects, a desktop time tracker with a work diary for hourly engagements, and built-in payments with dispute support. That all-in-one stack reduces friction, consolidates records, and establishes a shared workflow, but it also anchors both parties to Upwork's rules and fee structure. Fees are straightforward but consequential. Freelancers typically pay a flat service fee of around 10% on marketplace and project catalog earnings, though enterprise deals may differ. Clients pay a marketplace fee that is commonly 5% of payments, with a discounted rate available for eligible United States clients paying via bank transfer. A small contract initiation fee may be charged when you start a new contract. Proposal submission requires connects, which are tokens you buy. Jobs consume a varying number based on demand, and pricing per connect is roughly a few cents before any taxes. Upwork also offers boost-in proposals, where freelancers bid extra connects for higher placement. This pay-to-compete layer can be worth it for tight matches, but it punishes spray-and-pray outreach. The lesson is to be selective, tailor each proposal, and budget connects like ad spend. Payment protection is a primary reason both sides choose Upwork. For fixed-price work, clients fund milestones into escrow before work begins. Funds are released when deliverables are approved or after a resolution process. For hourly contracts, the time tracker captures work snapshots and logs, which helps qualify the freelancer for hourly protection and gives clients visibility into progress. Dispute resolution starts with mediation, and fixed-price disputes may escalate to third-party arbitration with a fee and specific deadlines. While no system eliminates risk, escrow and tracking dramatically reduce the chance of non-payment or scope ambiguity. Reputation largely determines discoverability and win rate. Freelancers have a job success score influenced by long-term client satisfaction, private and public feedback, contract outcomes, and consistency. Badges such as Rising Talent, Top Rated Plus, and Expert Vetted build additional trust signals. Clients present their own credibility markers like payment method verification, average spend, hire rate, and responsiveness. If you are a freelancer, prioritize a tight niche, show outcome-centered case studies with metrics, set clear milestones, and keep response times low. If you are a client, write specific scopes with success criteria, share examples, fund escrow quickly, and provide actionable feedback. Identity and compliance policies are stricter than they used to be. Expect government ID checks, visual verifications, location confirmation, and requests for tax or business information where required by law. Communications are expected to remain on-platform until a contract exists, and paying off-platform is prohibited. These measures aim to reduce fraud and improve trust and safety, but can temporarily slow onboarding when documents are requested. Upwork uses artificial intelligence extensively. On the marketplace side, machine learning ranks search results, classifies jobs and skills, and predicts fit between client briefs and freelancer profiles. AI also flags anomalies and potential scams, which are then reviewed by trust and safety teams. Generative features assist with proposal drafting and messaging and can help structure scopes or milestones. Upwork has introduced AI-powered experiences such as Upwork Chat Pro and an AI services hub to make it easier to find or deliver AI-related work. These tools speed up discovery and communication, but still reward substance. A well-written, proof-based proposal outperforms a generic AI draft every time. Category dynamics matter. High-supply areas like general data entry or basic graphic design show intense competition and downward price pressure. Specialized or outcomes-based niches such as machine learning engineering, conversion rate optimization, product design systems, or compliance writing still command higher rates. To navigate saturation, focus your profile on a narrow problem, present before and after results, and speak the client's language. On the client side, expect wider price dispersion in commoditized roles and more stable pricing in expert domains. Here is a quick operating checklist. For freelancers, benchmark rates against proven outcomes, not just inputs. Lead with a one-paragraph value proposition anchored to the client's goal. Propose a small discovery or audit milestone to de-risk scope. Use Project Catalog for repeatable offerings. Track every deliverable and summarize impact when requesting reviews. Protect your job success score by closing inactive contracts and aligning expectations early. For clients, define acceptance criteria and sample references for style or architecture. Decide upfront between hourly and fixed price based on uncertainty. For fixed price, split work into reviewable milestones that unlock value incrementally. For hourly, request weekly summaries and deliverable checkpoints. Verify payment methods before awarding. If you need global compliance or large-scale sourcing, explore Upwork Enterprise, which can include tailored controls and onboarding. If you want a W-2 arrangement in the United States, ask about Upwork payroll via staffing partners. Consider alternatives when your needs do not match the marketplace dynamics. Fiverr is strong for standardized quick-turn packages. Freelancer.com offers broad reach and auction-style bidding. TopTal emphasizes a curated expert network with higher average rates. Guru and People Per Hour provide additional channels, and specialized networks such as Marketer Hire or Catalant serve marketing and management consulting respectively. Many organizations mix platforms depending on urgency and complexity. Pros include global reach, escrow and hourly protection, integrated communication, time tracking, and a deep pool across most skills. Cons include proposal costs via connects, competition in saturated categories, algorithm opacity, and occasional friction from verification or policy enforcement. On balance, Upwork remains a powerful option when you need repeatable access to talent or consistent deal flow, provided you manage costs, specialize, and use the platform's tools as intended. The bottom line is simple. Upwork is best seen as a productivity and distribution channel. Treat connects like ad spend, proposals like landing pages, your profile like a product page, milestones like a release plan, and reviews like conversion assets. If you approach it with that mindset, the economics can work for both sides. If you want zero fees and total control, build direct pipelines instead, and keep Upwork for gaps or surge needs. Either path can win if you align the model with your strategy.